For my science center, I chose to focus on plants and how they survive. This is the activity center for second grade, and I titled it Do Plants Need Sunlight and Water? For the introduction, I did a little song. I can play like a little bit of it. Plants have different parts that work together to help them grow. Plants have different parts that work together to help them grow. Plants have stems and leaves. So I just did that because I figured it'd be something fun to get the students into it. They can dance and sing if they want to. It's also a good way to get energy out before starting a lesson. And then the NGSS standards that are addressed are 2-LS2-1, which is to plan and conduct an investigation to determine if plants need sunlight and water to grow. And the cross curricular is the ELA/literacy W.2.7, which is to participate in shared research and writing projects. Then here I'm just introducing the Science Center so students know what we are getting into. And our first activity is what do you know about plants? So students will be given a worksheet that they can fill out, including facts that they know about plants. And once they are done, they can color it. And once everybody has finished, they will share with their class just so the class can kind of get ideas on what everybody knows. Maybe they'll learn something new. Activity number 2 is to observe and record their findings. So what we will do in this activity is there will be 2 plants. Plant A, which will be in the sunlight and will be given water, and plant B, which will be away from the sunlight and not given any water, and they will be given a plant journal so they can draw and record their observations. And they can also feel the plant, which could be a manipulative for this activity. So they can feel it and see how it feels as the week goes on, and they can record that. And they will be observing it for 1 week. Activity number 3 is what do you think? Let's create a model. So in this one, they will be given Play-Doh, which will be green, brown, yellow, and 2 colors of their choice. They will then create what they think plant A will look like at the end of the week and what plant B will look like by the end of the week. And after they create their models, they will be given a lined sheet of paper and they will write down why they think plant A and plant B will look like that at the end of the week, which is also their hypothesis. The last activity is let's decide. So now that they have observed the 2 plants for the week, they will be put into groups of 4 and they will discuss their findings. And as a team, they must decide if plants do need sunlight and water or if they do not. And once they come up with their decision, they will be able to create a poster of what they decided and why. And they will also be able to do research so they can support their decision. So their projects must include their final decision, a drawn picture of their decision, which is plant A or plant B, your group reasoning, and 3 facts set to support your decision. And they will be assessed with a rubric based on their presentation, their facts that support their decision, and the effort that was put into the poster. And this is their exit ticket, which concludes the Science Center, and they will write 3 paragraphs that reflect on their experience with the Science Center. And then I gave a few suggestions, which includes what they learned, was their prediction correct, would they have done anything differently, what was their favorite activity and why, and was there anything you didn't like and why. And then I put until next time. And that is my Science Center. Thank you.